Hello, I am Charlotte Herzig, and the animal I selected for my project is the Felis catus, commonly known as a house cat. House cats primarily live in areas inhabited by humans and are constrained by developmental areas. Cats are solitary predators and do not live in socially structured groups for the most part. The most important sensory systems for cats are their sense of smell, vision, and hearing. Felines have tools like movement detectors, peripheral vision, and a tapetum, and cats can only see certain colors due to their reduced visual range. Cats exhibit positive chemotaxis, movement towards a chemical in response, when they smell food. My cat Milo in particular, who you will see momentarily, exhibits this behavior every day. If I exposed a cat to cadmium, chronic poisoning would occur in the form of elevation of blood pressure and renal dysfunction. The primary sensitive period for cats includes the juvenile stage, just after birth but before the 8-week stage where mother and kitten are separated, between 2 and 7 weeks. Now that we are well versed in our subject animal, we can conduct an experiment. I chose to focus on play behavior, since play is a large part of my domestic cat's day-to-day life, and the visual sensory system, since it is so important for cats. My question: why are certain color toys more appealing to cats than others? And subsequent hypothesis: I think that cats will prefer certain toys, specifically blue and yellow, over others because their enhanced visual acuity in hunting is also occupied by a limited color spectrum. This hypothesis is functional because it explains what the current adaptive function of the behavior is and how it contributes to survival and reproduction, as defined by Tim Bergen. To test my hypothesis, I will use an ethogram. I will present 3 different colored toys in 20-second intervals using scan sampling and record my cat's behavior at that interval. I have 4 defined behaviors: PL, engaging with the toy, for example, pawing and scratching; MV, jumping or stalking; NR, no reaction, the cat is resting or motionless; and AL, alertness, eye or hair movement. The ethogram table is pictured below. My ethogram video clip is of my cat Milo. You will see the 3 intervals where a different colored toy is presented and his associated response. We can see a correlation between the toys that are in the feline visual spectrum and the behavior response. Specifically, Milo reached for the blue and orange toy, blue and yellow being in the feline visual spectrum, and didn't react to the black toy. Those behaviors are reflected in my ethogram. To enhance the quality of my observational data, I will make sure there are no extraneous variables that could impact my results, like other people or toys in the vicinity, and repeat the experiment multiple times for more data. These are all of the sources I used. Thank you so much for watching.